Introduction. Welcome to DSV Travel Trip. Today, we explore one of the most extraordinary archaeological sites in the world, Petra. Hidden deep within the desert landscapes of southern Jordan, Petra was carved directly into stone by the ancient Nabateans. But this city was never meant to be reached easily.
Trade and distant connections. More than 2,000 years ago, Petra stood at the center of vast trade networks. Goods from distant ports and cities traveled across deserts and valleys, eventually reaching this hidden capital. Petra's wealth was built not on the sea, but on its control of inland trade routes.
Entering Petra. Reaching Petra meant leaving the open land behind and moving toward the mountains. The city was designed to remain concealed, protected by its natural surroundings. The Sick where the hidden passage. The journey into Petra leads through the Sea Quay, a long and narrow canyon carved by nature itself. Towering rock walls close in as the path winds forward, hiding what lies ahead. This passage builds anticipation. Petra remains unseen.
The Treasury Al-Khazneh. Then, without warning, the canyon opens. Standing before you is Al-Khazneh, the Treasury, carved directly into rose-red sandstone. Its monumental facade has captivated visitors for centuries. Despite its name, the Treasury was likely a royal tomb, a powerful symbol of Nabatean skill and ambition.
The valley and the ancient city. Beyond the Treasury, Petra opens into a broad valley. Here, the city reveals itself through tombs carved into the cliffs, open spaces, and monumental structures spread across the landscape. This was the heart of Petra's daily life.
The theater. Among these structures stands the Great Theater, carved directly into the rock. Capable of seating thousands, it reflects the city's importance in cultural life. Petra was not only a trading center, but a true urban civilization.
The Monastery, Ad-Deir. Beyond the main valley, Petra continues to unfold across the mountains. After a long ascent carved into the rock, the Monastery of Petra, Ad-Deir, comes into view. Larger than the Treasury and set apart from the city center, this monumental structure reflects the scale and ambition of the Nabateans. Rather than a monastery in the modern sense, it was likely used for ceremonial or symbolic purposes. From this high vantage point, the surrounding desert stretches into the distance, reinforcing Petra's sense of isolation and endurance.
Conclusion. Petra was built to be hidden, protected, and unforgettable. A city revealed step by step, through stone, silence, and time.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through Petra. Subscribe to DSV Travel Trip for more stories from the ancient world. See you soon.